We're on the west side of Blanchester, Ohio. Stopping at the lawnmower place. As soon as I walked in, I heard a train horn. Well, if you hear a train horn and you have a camera, you have to record it, don't you? So here it is. I think he's got one more intersection to blow his horn at. There's the main drag right there. Those cars are going out of town. They're going west. Here it comes. The sun, I can't hardly see if I'm picking it up very well, but here goes nothing. I'll back off the track so I can get a little better view of the whole train. It's like a manifest. Got a shout out. Four locomotives. They're probably the same one Brian and a couple other folks got the other day. So there we go. Yeah, it's a manifest. Grain cars. I don't think those are grain or something else. It's a ground hopper. Center beam. Tankers. More center beam. Pretty good sized train. Got a lot of glass coming up. I always call those the Rodney Dangerfields of rail cars. They get no respect. They're banged up and beat up. Looks like it's going to end with these guns. Not a bad train. He just kicked it up a notch. There we go. Once it goes past here, it goes over top of the road. The road goes underneath of it. This road here goes underneath the trestle. Then it runs parallel to 28. All the way into Goshen and starts veering off towards Loveland. Thanks for checking it out. Take it easy.